Alright guys, it's time to make a ruckus. Stay tuned. Quick video here, part of the Got It, Run It series. Thanks for tuning in to Mike's RC Corner. We got the Ecx Ruckus. It's two-wheel drive. This truck is huge. I think it's termed as a 110 scale, but man, it's almost 1/8 scale. It's very heavy RC. Now, I'm going to do another video series on this in the next month or two. It has a 13-turn Hobbywing 2-pole motor in it with a brushless setup S, that is brushless, and it has a Hobby King X-Car 45 amp ESC. It's not strong enough. When I bought this quite a while ago, it was the only system I had available, and it is just not fast enough. It's not powerful enough. I mean, it gets it around. I get her going, but I hit the drag brake here. I'm braking, and it won't brake. It really works the motor over pretty hard. As you can see, she drives pretty good. There's a speed run, so I'd say it's somewhere in that 30 to 35 range. I like it to get just a little bit quicker. Now, you can kind of compare this to my two-wheel drive Stampede, but it's a much different truck. It's longer, and it's not as, I don't know, it's more balanced, it's more steady. It doesn't flip over as much. It's just a well-made truck. I think it looks great. I love the body. I love the white wall, or not the white tire prints. This is one of the oldie goldies from my channel. I think I did a video on this in one of the first 10 videos I ever released. That's probably going back nearly 4 years ago. So it's always good to get this out and show it to you guys again. Just a quick video. It's a lot of fun. I'm a bit of a fanboy of Ecx. I also have the Barrage, and I like some of their other brands too. I mean, other models. I've been kind of always poking around trying to pick them up used. That's how I got this truck. I got it used. I'd like to jump this one a little bit more. I'm contemplating making a ramp and giving it put it through a little more paces. But these are pretty tough trucks, pretty comparable to the Traxxas. So guys, I'm going to end it here. Thanks for tuning in to Got It, Run It. Hope you're having a good one. Take care. Peace out. We'll see you on the next one.